In this video, we're going to talk about the FUJIFILM GFX100 Mark II cage and the accessory kits, both the base and mid. This is the cage plus the audio adapter, the AB3. The cage form fits to the camera body. It has two locating pins on the base plate, as well as a single screw that goes into the bottom of the camera body. On the front, we have a lens adapter tray with a vertical lens support post. And in this configuration, we have the small post installed, but the medium and the large are also included. On the left side of the camera, we have 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting points with area accessory pins. We have an HDMI and USB lock. And we also have a side 15mm rod opening, which is great for attaching a lens motor out front or accessories here towards the rear. Not every HDMI cable is the same size. This opening accommodates the larger HDMI ends, but we also include adapter sleeves for smaller cables like this one. So this cable is about a 9mm thick cable. We'll just check that there. And then we can attach this adapter piece into the clamp. This just snaps in. So that's retained and it won't fall out if you're not using a cable. But now we can add our HDMI connector. Snap that in and then lock the thumb screw to tighten it down. On the top of the cage, we have an Arca Swiss standard dovetail shape, as well as 1/4-20 and 3/8 mounting points and the M4x20 accessory mount. That M4x20 pattern is also found on the side plate. The top has a sideways 15mm opening, and we've attached a second accessory rod. On that rod, we've installed our AB3 audio breakout box that converts two XLRs into a standard 3.5mm stereo plug for the camera body. For the base kit, we add our top handle, which is an Arca Swiss standard dovetail shape. That goes into the top of the cage and locks down with a thumb screw. This has additional mounting points as well as shoe mounts on the front and back. On the bottom, we have a 15mm lightweight base plate, which has an Arca receiver on the top, and that interfaces with the Arca dovetail on the bottom of the cage. We slide this in from the back, adjust our position, and then lock the side thumb screw. To quick release off of the included airy dovetail, you can unlock this other side thumb screw, push the safety button down, and then lift off. To install, drop down, wait for the click, adjust your position, and then lock the side thumb screw. The mid kit includes the previous items, plus we've added a 15mm rod clamp on the top handle. We've added two 15mm rods that are 9 inches long, and these are held at the correct distance from the center of the lens. We've also added a top plate, which can be installed in place of the top handle. We'll first unlock the thumb screw on the side, slide the handle out, then slide in our top plate. This is great for giving us mounting points for a gimbal or crane. This cage design leaves the right side open for grabbing the handle, changing your media, and you also have access to the battery slot on the bottom. It's also compatible with the EVF tilt module, so we can unlock this EVF, install the FUJIFILM tilt module, and then the EVF. And now we have access to our viewfinder in a tilted position. These products are available now at MID49.com.